In today's fashion trend, jewelry layering has become one of the essential styling techniques. However, when we try to layer jewelry, we often face the problem of insufficient styling skills and aesthetic challenges, unable to perfectly present a fashionable look. In this article, we will provide you with 5 professional suggestions and techniques on jewelry layering to help you become a styling expert effortlessly. Same style, different color scheme. Choose the same style of jewelry, but with different colors to create a rich visual effect. For example, you can choose natural gemstone necklaces in different shades to add layering to the overall outfit. Same color scheme, different style. Pair jewelry of the same color scheme but with different styles to add layering. For example, pairing jewelry with different shapes and sizes can create more detail and depth. One large, one small, complementary proportions. When choosing jewelry, pay attention to the size ratio. Pairing large and small jewelry can create rich layering. For example, you can pair a large natural gemstone necklace with a small earring or bracelet. Color collision. Choosing contrasting colors requires a certain color combination technique to avoid an out-of-sync effect. For example, you can choose different colored natural gemstone necklaces to increase the visual impact of the overall outfit. Style clash. Pairing jewelry of different styles requires attention to proportion and aesthetics to avoid a tacky effect. For example, you can pair a simple natural gemstone necklace with a gorgeous bracelet to create a unique styling. Now that you have learned 5 professional suggestions and techniques on jewelry layering, we believe that these techniques will help you effortlessly showcase your personality and fashion taste. Please remember that when trying different combinations, the most important thing is to find the one that best showcases your personality. Practice is the only criterion for testing truth, so have the courage to try and unleash your creativity to bring more surprises to your jewelry layering. If you enjoyed this article, please like and share it with your friends. Also, feel free to share your experience and insights on jewelry layering in the comments section. We look forward to exchanging and learning with you. Thank you for reading, and we wish you a successful journey in jewelry layering and increasingly